Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, a follow-up on the Joi Nunieh story that we recently did, the NDDC lady. So Governor Wike has chimed in, and this is what he has to say. Guys, I bring you this. NDDC probe, no harm must befall Joi Nunieh, Wike wants. So that's the headline now that we're contending with. Governor Wike, of course, a leading governor from that region, so vested interest in the matters of NDDC and particular attention to this lady. Headline again, NDDC probe, no harm must befall Joi Nunieh, Wike wants. So now let's now see what warning Governor Wike is giving. Rivers State Governor Wike has warned that no harm must befall the former managing director of the Niger Delta Development Commission NDDC, Joi Nunieh. Governor Wike issued the warning in a statement by his Commissioner for Information and Communication, Paulinius Nserim, in Port Harcourt. The state government said whilst it commends the ongoing probe in the NDDC, it will never support any action that will prevent or jeopardize the laudable intentions of President Muhammadu Buhari to positively reposition the NDDC and fulfill the yearnings and aspirations of the people of the Niger Delta. Wike said Rivers State owes it a duty to protect her citizens from danger, no matter their political affiliation, and we cannot fold our hands and watch anyone harm her or any Rivers citizen. The Rivers State government has viewed with concern the recent developments at the Niger Delta Development Commission NDDC, in which the name of our daughter, Dr. Joi Nunieh, the immediate past acting managing director of the commission, has been dragged into. However, we wish to state that whilst we are not interested in identifying with the present unfolding drama in the NDDC, we will not, however, fail to protect our daughter from actual harm or perceived danger, the statement reads. The Rivers State government called on those involved in the ongoing investigations in the NDDC to ensure that Joi Nunieh does not suffer any harm in the course of their undertakings. The former NDDC boss, Joi Nunieh, is embroiled in an altercation with the Minister of Niger Delta Affairs, Senator Godswill Akpabio, with the former accusing the minister of malfeasance, oath-taking, and sexual approach, allegations Akpabio have denied. So now this is now Wike, of course, chiming in. Wike, of course, will always chime in. Wike is the first to the scene of any fight that is going on within the Nigerian space. Wike is this now new terms. Ayodele Fayose is now the Fayose of this second term of the Buhari regime. So we had Fayose before he left his seat, having served 2 terms. So Wike is now the new Peter the Rock that we are now contending with, the voice of the people by his own reckoning, and the champion of the oppressed in this instance, at least, is positioning himself as such. So Wike stands up for this lady who can stand up for herself, having dished Akpabio one nice juicy slap. So now the second slap now Wike is waiting to dish to this Akpabio character. Conversations in the comment section. Wike stands up. How are you standing? What is your position? Come share them with me in the comment section. But before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns grey. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done all 3, come into the comment section. Come tell me what you're making of the goings on within this NDDC place that is noted for corruption. Now Akpabio, a man that is the linchpin, the King One, the Don One of corruption within the Nigerian space, now in charge of that space. So looting extraordinaire is what we should expect. But what is your expectation? So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.